Start.
My compatriots, Manong Litos made me hear the song From Moment to Moment by Frank Sinatra. I think it was shared with him by Bobby and Lely from the United States. But anyway, I would like to sing this, my lady. I will try it. I'm not a singer, but since I offer it to heavens. From moment to moment, because this is the song. When I first heard it, 20 years ago, it reminded me of the book I read, authored by Bishop Fulton J. Sheen, who is now a blessed in the Catholic Church. Because for me, the title of the book is Divine Romance. So from moment to moment, Divine Romance, my Divine Romance. According to Manong Litos, for him, the song is about creation, how God is constantly calling us from moment to moment to do His most holy will. Eh. From moment to moment, every moment I live that I live. From moment to moment, I live for you, with you, to touch you, to see you, to touch you, to imagine. This will be the moment when a dream comes true. Just an ordinary day becomes adventure, sweet adventure that I never knew. Life will be rainbows as I learn the secret of the miracle, that the love of God. From moment to moment with you, love. Oh, rainbow, as I learn the secret of the miracle that God's, that love of God can create.